Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's another video I'm bringing to you on how you can make money online. Okay, so this video I'm going to be sharing with you, or these tutorials I'm going to be sharing with you, it's a new way of making money online that I figured, and I just thought about sharing it with you. So I'm going to be exploring this platform and I just want to get started with it. I've done a little research about the platform and I found out that yes, the platform pays for whatever task that you perform on the platform, and you're going to earn, you're going to get paid. So I just created my account and I just want to get started with this platform to make money. And I felt I should share with my viewers out there on how to use this platform to make money and the opportunities on this platform to make money. I'm going to be documenting my journey through this platform as I explore the platform and make money with it. So I'm just going to get started by showing you how to get on this platform and make money for yourself. On this platform, you can make money every day. It's very easy, it's very straightforward. You just have to follow a few steps on the platform to qualify you to begin to earn. So, before I go into this, I want to say that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not a professional financial advisor. What I'm just trying to share with you, it's an opportunity that I feel can help you earn some little stipends online. All right. So, it's not for you to work with it or for you to take it. You just have to get a professional financial advisor to give you advice on how you can make your investments and how you can make your money and all that. But this platform is just something I want to explore. So I felt like I should share with my viewers out there for those who might be interested in using this platform to make money online. I'm not guaranteeing you that once you get on this platform, you're going to get rich. You just have to put in effort and perform the tasks that are there and get paid for doing those tasks. All right. So that being said, I'm just going to take you now to the platform and I'll show you what it's about and how you can earn from this platform. All right, so welcome to this website. This website is called Microworkers, and on this platform, you can perform various tasks and earn money. All right, if you look at this place, it says work and earn or offer a micro job. So on this platform, you can either be a worker or you can be an employer. All right. So if you have tasks that you want to put on this platform for people to perform for you and then you pay them, it's something you can do. And if you want to get employed, you want to get a job where you can make money, this platform is also for you. But my concern right now is how we can explore this platform and make money from it, not necessarily putting jobs on this platform. All right, so for you to get started, what you need to do is click on register. When you click on register, it's going to bring you here, and here you can fill your information and you get registered. By the time you're done filling all these details here, you fill in these details and then you can click on submit and then you get registered. But for me, I'm registered already. So what I'm going to do is to click on login. Is to click on login. So by the time I click on login, it's going to bring me to here and I have to enter my email and I'll enter my password. Then I click on login. Okay, so here we are. This is my account. I just created this account. It's new. You can see here I've not earned anything because the account is new. I just created the account. Like I told you, I'm just trying to explore this platform because I heard about the platform and I decided to do a little research about it to be sure that yes, I can perform tasks on this platform and get paid. And I found that yes, that I can get paid on this platform, and that is why I want to explore it. And I want to share my journey with you as I'm going to get started right now. You can see that my account is reading zero because I've not done any task that I can earn money. So, but this platform is something that's going to pay, and I'm just going to document my journey as I earn on this platform. From this, from zero, I'm going to take it to some point where I'll earn some dollars to show you that you can make money from the comfort of anywhere online these days. Okay. So if you look at this place here, it's showing us 108 jobs available to you. That's so much All right. So even if you're doing a 9 to 5 job and you decide to give, say, 2 hours of your time after your 9 to 5 job to earn some passive income, you can always, come on platforms like this and make money. Okay. And if you don't have a 9 to 5 job, you can actually get yourself employed with platforms like this. So this is just one I'm sharing with you. I'm going to do other videos of about other sites that I've seen that actually pays. There are some that you work and you don't get paid, because of a lot of reviews and all that. But this platform particularly is a platform that pays, even though your work is going to get approved or reviewed and approved by the employer to be sure you've done the job the right way. So 108 jobs available to you. So let's just take a look at some of these jobs right here. Okay, so if you look at all this, TTV Gmail, create an account. Okay, this is showing us not applicable. So let's look for others. Okay, let's look at this one. This one has about is paying about 0.08. Okay, and it has about 74% success. That is and this is also good. This has about 92% success. So if you look at it, you look at the task here. All right, search, engage, screenshot. So it depends on how many of these you can do in a day. um, it's going to tell you how much you can make. All right, so there are very simple tasks here you can do. Create an account. You're seeing Gmail, create an account, create an account. So there are different jobs. All right, YT, register an account. So you just scroll down, just look at the ones that you are sure you can complete. Because if you start any job on this platform and you do not complete it, you are not going to get paid. So don't just pick the job because you see that the pay is high. Okay, we've been seeing 0.08 or 0.09. Now we're seeing 0.13. You may be tempted to want to do this. Be sure you can complete the task, because if you do not complete the task, you're not going to get paid. Okay, this is 0.10. Yeah, this is a bit high looking at what's there. And then we'll have 0.50. This is 50 cent. Okay, so you look at it. Now you have to get to this platform. You have to sign up, do your KYC, and follow all the instructions there for you to get this amount. By the time your task is complete, you're definitely going to get paid if you do it correctly. So you must have that at the back of your mind. It's not just about coming here and then you just pick whatever. Like I said, you must pick a job that you're sure you can complete. Okay, so you can see some of these ones are quite easy. You just have to watch, like, and comment. Okay, and you just earn a little. Okay, so these ones here, you can see this one has about it's going to pay you 0.35 cents. Okay, this is swag. All right, you need to download, install, and sign up. That's just all you need to do. What are you doing with the phone? Download this already and install and sign up for it and get paid. Okay, and one thing you should note here is if you see any task that has to do with installing an app or something on your phone, you don't have to install the app and then uninstall it immediately. You have to keep that app on your phone for at least 1 week, at least 7 days. Have to leave it on your phone for at least 7 days. Be sure that you get paid and you've seen that the payment has reflected before you can uninstall the app. If you want to uninstall the app, if it's something that is not adding value to you and you think you just want to remove it from your phone, you just have to wait for at least 7 days. All right, so you take note of that. Okay, so you just scroll, and pick the kind of jobs you can see. Look at YouTube, watch, subscribe, comment, and screenshot. So you have to send a screenshot to complete this task, and you're going to be paid 0.08 cents. Okay, and yes, you can see this. This has 100% success. People who have been doing this, okay, people have been doing it completely. So when you look at the ratings, you should also know that, okay, by the time you try those ones, they're easy. You should be able to do them. Okay, this one too is the same thing. You have YouTube, search, watch, like, subscribe, comment and all that. So these tasks are very easy for you to do. All you have to do is very simple. Before you perform any task on this platform, you have to take a test. Now, I've not taken the test because I want to have the opportunity to show you that you need to do a test. before you get started. And the test is very easy. Okay, if I click on this task right now that I want to perform, you will see what it's going to show me. Right, okay, look at now, it's showing me Microworkers admission test. I've not done it because I wanted to use this opportunity to show you in this video that for you to get started, there's a need for you to perform an admission test. You need to pass the test for you to get started. But guys, you don't have to be scared about this. It's very easy for you to do. Okay, before that, you have to read this. All the questions are required. Please read all the questions carefully before submitting details. Okay, so for you to proceed, the next thing you want to do is come to this place and you click on um, accept and start. Remember, you have registered and you logged into your account. You need to activate your account. Now, you're going to see an instruction that will ask you to SMS activate to a particular number. You just have to SMS activate to a particular number that will be given to you on the platform. Then your account will be activated. So once that is done, the next thing is you want to proceed to start doing jobs on the platform. So once that is done, you just have to click here. For you to start any job, you have to go through the admission test. And if you can't find a place to check where you can do the admission test, the moment you click on any task that you want to perform, it's definitely going to bring you to this point. So you can do the admission test. So you just click on accept and start. When you click on accept and start, it's now going to display this to you. And then you have to say important. Please read carefully before you begin with the exam. This test will be composed of the pre-test and the two exam levels, right? Each level bears as much importance as the test. Total time allotment for the entire exam is 10 minutes. Okay, that's because it's very easy for you to do. Suggested time frame spent. Okay, so you can read all these instructions so that we don't waste so much time reading all these instructions, but you just go through all the instructions before you get started. You can see the pre-test data. Suggested time allotment is 3 minutes. Okay, read the following information. Okay, you have to read this carefully because this is going to help you to perform the pre-test and also the exams. Okay, so you have to read this to understand what micro workers is all about. You have to try to understand, who is an employer, who is a worker, how you can be an employer on this platform, or how you can be a worker. So you need to have all this information. So when you get to the test or you get to the exam level, you'll be able to answer the test, the questions there. If you do not understand the instructions here, you cannot work on this platform. That means you're going to violate the policies or the rules here. So they just want to test you to be sure that you've read all this information and you've assimilated same and you can use the platform properly. So there's no big deal about this. So once you do that, you just come down and if you're done reading, you just come down, you click on next. And then it brings you to this point where here the time allotment here is 1.5 minutes, so you just have to quickly look at it. A requested task is subject to be reported when. All right, so if you have not read through the instructions, you won't be able to answer it because these instructions will just tell you, okay, requesting for a screenshot. When is it that, okay, when it is asking for 3 proofs, when it requires for an email address to be submitted, the links lead you to the audit and porn site. No. If you look at some of the tasks we saw at the front page there, where you have the job list, you see that most of them are requesting for a screenshot. All right, so the best thing to do, if you are sure of the answer, is just to check the box and you are sure that, okay, you've answered that. And then the next question says, all the following may be used in withdrawing your micro workers earnings except, okay, so except here, okay. Then the next here is all these are valid ways to earn money on micro workers except testing an app, submitting a negative comment or image as requested by an employer, translating a document, data mining, and okay, so submitting this. So you now say next. You see, I got that. So that step is gone. All right, so that's how you do it. I was able to answer those questions because I read the instructions before. So you do all that, and by the time you're done with all these pre levels, you're not qualified to go and perform the jobs right there. So if you go back, let's go back to job list, and you'll be able to do that. Okay, it's very easy, it's very straightforward, like I showed you already. So if you look at jobs you can do right here, all you have to do is go through the test, take the test, and then you're qualified to begin to pick any job from here to do. And you can see that the jobs are very easy, the tasks are very easy for you to do, and you can claim all this money. All right, so it depends how much you want to make per day. Look at this one, has $3. Oh god, I know that you want to do this. By the time you click on it, all you're expected to do right now is create an account, do your KYC, and do a screenshot. So it's very easy. Okay, so if I can do this job that is $3 and I can earn $3 just by doing this task, maybe in less than 30 minutes I'm done with this, I've earned $3. And I look at other tasks that can pay me, this is 50 cents, just look at them. So you can earn as much as $5, $10 a day, depending on what your goal is, what you want to earn daily and what you want to earn at the end of 30 days. Okay, so this platform is available for you all around the week. Okay, there's no Saturday, there's no Sunday to say, okay, this is weekend and then the platform is not available for me to work. It's always there. So you just schedule your time and then you get on the platform, you pick the task that you want to do, and then you make money. For those of you that want to join me to use this platform to make money, you're welcome. Like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. This is a platform that I heard about and I decided to research about it and to explore the platform to see how I can make some little stipends. It is not a get rich quick platform. It is a platform that can give you passive income. All right. So guys, that is it about micro workers for now. I'm also going to be bringing you other websites like this that you have very easy tasks for you to do. You don't have to do any investment here before you can earn money. All you have to do is dedicate your time and pick the tasks that you know you can complete. For those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, I'm just going to give you an opportunity right now to subscribe to this channel if you're finding value in this video. And for my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for giving this channel your support. And let's keep doing this and growing this channel as I bring you new videos that will help you to make money online. All right, guys, so I'll see you in another video. Cheers.